All right, guys, welcome to 8111 Cactus Wren Hill. This is another 2,708 square foot home floor plan. So one of our popular floor plans with KB Home. We have a model home of this one on site. This is at the preserve at Culebra community. This is in San Antonio, Texas. Upon entry, you have your garage, two-car garage to your right. All our KB homes do come with an alarm security system, as well as a fully automated sprinkler system. This home is available for a quick move-in. Over here, you have a nice office area. The office also does have a closet. That is another coat closet as well. This would be your formal dining area. And then this would be another extended storage closet. All right, this would be your living room. Nice and big open concept living room. And this ultimately leads into the kitchen. So the kitchen does have nice quartz countertops, nice big island, tall 42-inch cabinets, nice deep farm sink, stainless steel with the Moen faucet, and of course a water drinking filter system. Again, Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel. The home does have a blind package included in this one. So all the windows will have blinds. The backyard. All right, and again, the backyard will be with a fully automated sprinkler system. All right, leading into your upstairs. The master bedroom is going to be off to the left, nice and separated from your other bedrooms. We'll go take a look at the master shortly. But first, let's take a look at these other bedrooms. So when you walk upstairs, you have your nice big loft and game room. The AC is inside the home for quick, easy access to changing your filter. Essentially, this is going to be bedroom number 2. Over here leads into bedroom number 3. Over here, you have your nice and big laundry room. And over here leads to your secondary bathroom upstairs. Tiles surrounding the tub. And this is a nice extra feature where you have double sinks in the secondary bedroom. Nice extra linen closet space. This would essentially be bedroom number 4. Extra sitting space right there. And of course, this one does have a walk-in closet. So the bedroom number 4 is the only bedroom with the walk-in closet aside from the master bedroom. And we shall go into the master bedroom now. All right, so this leads into the master bedroom. A very nice and big open space master bedroom. I'm gonna walk into the corner so you can get a good feel for it. Again, house does come with a blind package. So walking into the master, you have a nice linen closet. So you do have a nice stand-up shower in the master. Nice subway tile surrounding it and an extra bench area. All right, and then the master does include the double sinks, his and hers. And of course, you do have a enclosed toilet, more additional linen closet, and of course, the master bedroom closet.